Oriental medicine. So now I'm gonna demonstrate how to make the beef noodle soup. Yay! I went to the supermarket today and I got a beautiful beef tenderloin. And we have green onions, garlic, ginger, shallot, and regular onions, tomatoes, and the bean paste. Soy sauce, this one is make the color darker, and this is just the regular soy sauce. If you're allergic to any wheat products, you can use tamari for the soy sauce to replacement. Now, I already opened up one of this tenderloin and I put it in the water to cook out the blood from the beef to reduce the gaming taste and the smell. So we are going to cook this maybe 20 minutes. Turn on to high heat so they can start boiling. Once all the things are coming out from the beef, then we can clean it and prepare it for our beef noodle soup. Now I'm going to prepare all the ingredients. So this is green onions. I got this from my backyard. Very fresh, I just cut it. I will put this in a wok. Now the second, garlic. Smash them. After that, we're gonna use our ginger. Make sure you keep the skin of the ginger. Now is shallot. Get rid of the skin. I'm gonna cry. Oh, such a spicy shallot. Oh. I'm gonna hold on to this onion. Oh, I'm crying. I'm gonna cut the tomato now. I just washed them. All you need to do is just cut it in half and put it in there. Now it's ready. Can you see all these things are coming out? Right now I'm gonna bring the whole pot to the sink. So you rinse it out, the blood and the foam. And big piece, family eating, so we don't cut small pieces that you can't even see the meat. It smells so good already. Oh, can't wait to eat my beef noodle soup. I will put the rock candy in there already. Put the beef in now. Now I'm gonna put in extra ingredients. The first one is the star anise. Bay leaf. Bay leaves can help to absorb out the cholesterol. I love it. And a little spicy dry pepper. Alcohol. That can also reduce the gaming scent. White pepper, spicy bean paste. This is the soy sauce that can make the color dark. That is for the color and this is for the soy sauce. This is for the color and this is for the flavor. Of course, this one is also salty, but more of the color. You don't want to put all in this one because it was too dark. Don't have the color, the beauty of the beef noodle soup. It has to be a little lighter, but it has to be a little darker. Once I'm done cooking, you'll know how that look like. Ooh, delicious. That looks fantastic and smells so good. Yeah, I think we're gonna have a feast. Yay. Right now is the time for me to moving this to the big pot. The reason for the hot water because you don't want the temperature right away went down since this is really hot. So you want to keep it consistent in the same temperature and pour it in all together. There you go. Wonderful. You can see this is already boiling and then you put it right there at the medium heat and cover the lid. You don't want to evaporate out too much. Great. See you in an hour. So I also heat up this hot water here to cook our noodle. You can see the water is already boiling. I usually like to put some green vegetables in here. That water is much more cleaner, and the vegetable I will use the water to cook a little bit. This is sweet potato leaves, and one of my favorite veggie, which my sister told me is delicious until I really tried it, then I believe her. The sweet potato leaves is already cooked. This is good enough for today's dinner. And then we are very veggie people, so we like a lot of vegetables. Everything here today, except the beef, is from my sister's backyard. The green leaves, the onions, the tomatoes. This is the noodle. One per person, so 3 of us, we have 3 of this. I put it in there. Now you can see it's coming up right now. It's boiling, and you put water in there, clean it out. See, this is second boiling. Beautiful. Now it's ready, so we just put the water in, and that is it. Eileen, are you hungry today?
Yeah?
All right. I'm gonna get her portion. And this is for Sean. How hungry are you, Sean?
So hungry.
Okay. I know this is one of your favorite noodle. You got it right away. We're gonna get it for you. There you go.
How hungry are you today?
Very hungry. So excited to eat my beef noodle soup. So all the rest of the noodles, all for Sean. All right, Sean. This is a big piece of the tenderloin. Ooh. There you go, Sean. This is for you. Look at that.
Oh my God.
Now it's for my sister. If she wants more, we can get her more. Ooh, that looks so good. Here. That's for Eileen, my sister.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now it's for me. I just want one good piece of beef. So excited already. Oh my goodness. I can fishing out my beef. Ooh, look at that. It's so pretty. And I also like some green onions. I'm gonna eat it right here. And now you know Chinese eating noodles are to make a lot of noise. This is how they do it. You ready? So good. I will see you next time. Have a good night. For the feng shui reason, I cannot have an open fire. I have to use convection, the electric. We have to wait for this heat to get up. No, we have. Well, this is convection oven. No, this is convection stove. Well, I am waiting for this convection electrical stove. How can have a Chinese people have this kind of electricity stove? You gotta have a real fire. Because of the feng shui reason of my house, I have open living room and dining room and the kitchen. So I have to have a stove without the obvious, you can see the fire. That's why I have electrical, that's why I have an electrical stove. So now you know, please don't tell me that I'm not Chinese. I'm very Chinese. Just because the feng shui reason, I have to choose this. Alright? I'm continue cutting my beef. Voila!